Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add sound to your YouTube Shorts videos. So first of all, you just have to open the YouTube app, then go to your Shorts creation by tapping on the plus icon, tap on create a short, and as you can see here you can record your short or you can upload any video from your gallery that you previously recorded or even edited. And to add sound to your videos, you just have to tap on add sound, and you can browse the gallery of sounds. On the top you are going to see some of the popular songs in your region that you can use, or you can search for specific songs by tapping on the search icon. To see your saved songs, you just have to tap on saved, and you are going to see some of the songs that you already saved. And to add one of these songs, you just have to tap on it. You can listen a little bit, and if you decide to add it to your short, you just have to tap on this icon and it is already added to your video. You can also edit this song by tapping on the check mark, and you can adjust the song so you can see which part of the song is going to play on your video. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.